Hey guys, it's Victor. We're back to new pressure washing, and I'm here doing a concrete paver cleaning and sealing today. It's a little bit overcast, so nice day to work in. Got my hat, got my boots on. My wife says I look like the Gorton fisherman, but I like to think I look more like Indiana Jones. But either way, so we've got these pavers that are just older, kind of worn, discolored. So we're basically going to clean these, apply a nice sealer, high gloss, and make it look good. So I'll show you the progress. So I'm just in here with a surface cleaner, cleaning off this patio first before I seal it. Remove all the algae, mold, dirt, everything, get it looking good first before we go in and seal it. If you don't do that, and I have seen jobs where guys did not do that, if you don't do this first, you're going to seal in all the dirt, you're going to seal in all the mold and algae. It's going to look really bad. So anyway, I'll show you the finished result when I get done. You can see how this is just taking off all the dirt and grime as I go. It's going to make a huge difference. I'll update you with some progress later.